A senior police officer has testified that no arrests have been made in connection with a 2020 shooting incident after two armed men invaded a police officer's house. Defendants Sharon Gilzine and Michael Wildman are charged with facilitating the commission of a serious offense by a criminal organization in relation to shooting with intent. We have the details from Raquel Porter.
On February 4, the lead prosecutor said no charges have been laid for nearly 8 years until its key witness came forward and agreed to give evidence. Under cross-examination by attorney Kamisha Mitu, who represents several of the accused, the cop confirmed that he was the investigating officer from February 2020 to November 2021. He acknowledged that up to today's date, no arrests have been made in the matter. He also said he could not recall whether an identification parade was conducted. During questioning by attorney Paul Gentles, there was extended legal argument over attempts to introduce information from the station diary and details about a vehicle reportedly involved. Prosecutors objected on the grounds of hearsay, and the trial judge upheld the objections. The cop later confirmed that based on information received, he was looking for two men and a white motor car. However, further objections were raised by the prosecution. In re-examination, the witness clarified that in addition to the policeman involved, he interviewed other eyewitnesses, including persons inside the house where the incident occurred. Early in his testimony today, the cop said he was on duty on February 27, 2020, when a policeman reported a case of shooting with intent. He said he followed the complainant to his home where he observed 2 or 3 spent casing outside near the perimeter wall, adding that he saw spent casing in the perimeter of the yard but don't remember if they were inside or outside the house. Yesterday, the complainant told the court that he pursued the men with his service pistol. The witness, who made contact through police emergency to have Indicom attend the scene and persons from scenes of crime to process the scene, told the court that the complainant's weapon, a 9mm pistol with 9mm cartridges, was taken from him and placed in safe custody. The witness said on February 28, he handed over the pistol and ammunition for ballistic analysis. The witness was also shown photographs of the roadway and area where the shooting occurred. Raquel Porter, reporting for TVJ News.